Hi guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, my time, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for all the support on my channel. Like, I'm above 200 subscribers right now. I can't even believe it. Thank you so much. So you're welcome to today's episode. So today we are going to be learning how to style a bridal pre-styled wig using a coiling rod. So just stay tuned and keep on watching. Remember to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Also share to fellow hairstylists, fellow beauty entrepreneurs that may find this video helpful. Thank you so much and just stay tuned.
Watch. So I had to add some products because I noticed it was feeling a little bit dry. So I added Let's Jam and a little bit of macadamia oil. So I'll rub it in, then detangle it. After that, I'll start curling. So the curling, like I said, is the same procedure. So just cut, you curl, you pin. When pinning, always pin it down neatly, so when you're taking it out, your curls will come out looking beautiful. Alright, so just watch, follow the same steps, and you arrive at the same results. Okay, so we're about to style the front side. So what I usually do is that I'll curl it into 3 parts. So this curl that I'm creating is just, so I'll curl it into 3 parts. When I curl, I pin. get my finishing spray. Then I just want to work on my lines and the top of the hair, so I just spray well. Then I use my hot comb. I use the hot comb to just comb the line neatly, so it just helps. It keeps those flyouts away, then it gives the hair this hold, so it doesn't get scattered easily. So I usually don't like that part that I'm using the hot comb to comb. I usually don't like that part lifting, so I would use my hot comb to comb the inner side down, so you can have that fit. So I don't like that, so I'll have to just comb it well. So see it from a close look, so you comb it well to just have that fit. So because I've been combing it, you can notice that my coil is dropping, so I think I'll still need to coil it some more, because I don't want my curls to drop before it gets to my client. So still spraying some finishing spray for better finishing. So I'm just combing it well. So when I'm okay with it, I'll get my clip and I'll clip the front while I work on my curls. So I'm clipping this front because I don't want it to fall. So now I'll work on my curls. So we'll be coiling the front again for a more tight curls, because I don't want my curls to drop before it gets to my client. So I'll just comb it and I'll just curl it, then I'll pin down. Okay, so I want to create baby hair, so I'm just trying to cut it. Just cutting it down before I use my got-to-be gel to lay it down. So after that, I noticed that the fronts of my curls needed a little bit of spray, so I used the butterfly shadow spray to just spray it well, so it gives it that hold, like I said, so it doesn't drop before it gets to my clients. So you can see I just brush it in when I spray, just brushing. So after curling it, because I want my curls to hold, like I don't want it to drop until it gets to my clients. So I would use this butterfly shadow spray. Just spray it, like you can see what I'm doing. I'll just spray it and I'll leave it to this lace in front because my client asked me to cut almost all the freestyle wigs that I do. They usually tell me to cut the neck, so once it gets to the neck to be ready to wear. So now I'm using the zigzag scissors to cut this time around. This is much easier for those that find it difficult using the other small scissors. So this one is already made easy. As you're cutting, the lines are already coming out zigzag. So that's what I'm using in this video. I'll be taking down my curls, so just watch. This was the reason why I had to pin down the curls, because I didn't want it to be loosed. So I'll be taking down the curls now. When I'm done taking it down, then you see the finished look of our pre-styled wig. Like so just see this is how it's like.